Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the pie graph. The pie graph is a very interesting type of graph because it consists of a circle which is divided into different parts. It looks a bit like a pie. It shows very clearly how the different parts of the circle compare with each other. Let's look at example 1. This circle is divided into all those different areas and they're different colours. The pie graph on the left compares the number of different coloured cars that entered a car park during a 30-minute period. What colour was the largest number? All you do is you look at the largest area. So that was blue. So more blue cars entered the car park in that period. What colour was the smallest number? Red, because that's the smallest area. What was the second most frequent colour? That is, the second most popular colour was black. Are the number of blue cars that entered greater than the sum total of the other four colours? Yes, because this blue here, that takes up more than half of the circle, so it is more than all of those combined. A survey of students was taken to find out what pets they owned. What were the most popular pets? Dogs, because that's the biggest area. What were the second most popular type of animals? Cats, because that's the second biggest area. What were the third most popular type of animals? Birds, for obvious reasons. Give examples of animals that could come under the heading of other. So you could have fish, lizards, snakes, mice, etc. It could be anything. Students in a certain grade at school did the above activities for school sport. Answer the following questions. What was the most popular sport? Soccer, because that was 30%. It's easy when you've got the percentage, because you don't have to guess the area. So straight away we can see that soccer is just a little bit bigger than swimming, so that's the most popular. What was the least popular? We can see that gymnastics has the smallest area, but it's also got the smallest number. When you add all the percentages, what is the total? Because we're dealing in percentages, the total is always 100. Do the lowest three sports represent less than 50% of the students? The answer is yes. Because if you take, now the lowest three sports are gymnastics, tennis and track. If you add those three up, that is 20 plus 12 plus 11, it gives you 43%. So it is less than 50. What two sports added together are almost exactly the same as soccer? Now remember, soccer is 30%. So if we look at track and gymnastics, what does that give us? 20 plus 11 is 31, so it's almost the same as soccer, because soccer's 30. That's why the answer is track and gymnastics. Favourite pizza topping. So you got pepperoni, cheese, sausage and supreme. What is the most popular topping? Now this is all about the largest area, so, and also if you've got a percentage, that makes it easier. So definitely pepperoni, because that's the green colour there. See, green means pepperoni. So it's pepperoni. What is the least popular? That's the smallest area, which is this one, 10%. We know that's supreme. Why do you think pepperoni is the most popular topping? I suppose the common sense answer is it's probably the tastiest. It has a nice taste. So this video has introduced you to the pie graph or the pie chart. And it's a beautiful little graph because you just look at it and you can do most of the answers just by looking at the largest area or comparing the different areas. And sometimes the pie chart gives you percentages, and that makes our job a lot easier.